1, go.
Qualification match number 14. Revelation is off the line, lining up a shot. As Purple Haze gathers some fuel in the neutral zone. Over on the blue side of the field, we have human players scoring. Human players continue to make a difference into the beginning of teleoperated mode. As Purple Haze fires a yellow haze of fuel into the Red Alliance hub. Taco trying to get themselves over the bump, not quite able to make it. Let's see if they try again, and they're through to the neutral zone as Purple Haze unloads another volley into the Red Alliance hub. Taco is over on the Red Alliance side of the field. It looks like their intake might not be at the angle they intended. They're trying to interfere with Purple Haze's relentless scoring in the Red Alliance hub. Cyber Rangers putting up some scores for the Blue Alliance. Firing into the blue hub, just barely missing. Cyber Rangers fires again. They make a few into the Blue Alliance hub. As we shift over to the Red Alliance side, Purple Haze making their way back, trying to line up. They shoot and they score. Followed by Mech and Cheese. Oh, Revelation. Cyber Rangers trying to get fuel back onto the Blue Alliance side of the field, lining up with the trench. As BearTecs goes back into the neutral zone for more, we shift over to the Blue Alliance hub. As Cyber Rangers fires fuel into the Blue Alliance hub, human players relentlessly firing their own. Taco joins into the mayhem. We head into endgame. Both hubs are active. No one's quite able to make use of it. Looks like Revelation puts a few into the Red Alliance hub as Cyber Rangers line up and they fire into the Blue Alliance. Live scoring shows a Red Alliance advantage with 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. Match 14 goes to the Red Alliance. 87-43. Red Alliance walking away with 3 ranking points for the win.